Welcome to your guide on e-commerce SEO strategies for 2026. Get ready to boost your online sales. Let's start by addressing the biggest challenge facing many online stores today. You might have amazing products, but if your store is invisible on Google, you're missing out on vital traffic and sales. The good news is that mastering e-commerce SEO is your clear path to becoming highly visible and profitable in 2026. Our first strategy focuses on the core of your e-commerce site, the product pages. Use rich media like high-quality images and structured specifications. These not only engage customers, but help search engines understand your product better. Include authentic customer reviews and clearly articulate the benefits, not just the features, to build trust and drive conversions. Next, let's talk about connecting with customers at the precise moment they are ready to buy. Focus on high-intent, transactional keywords. These are the terms users type when they are searching specifically to make a purchase. In 2026, website performance on mobile devices is no longer optional. It's critical for ranking. Ensure a fast-loading, mobile-first design. Google prioritizes the mobile version of your website for indexing and ranking, so speed is everything. To capture potential customers earlier in their journey, you need to establish authority with valuable content. Create educational content like blogs, guides, and tutorials. This answers customer questions and draws organic traffic that transactional pages miss. High-quality, helpful content establishes your brand as an expert, capturing traffic long before they're ready to hit buy. Under the hood, technical optimization ensures that search engines can efficiently crawl and index your site. A clean site architecture and structured data, or schema markup, are crucial. Schema allows for rich snippets in search results, boosting click-through rates. As AI evolves, optimizing for its processing speed is a new frontier in SEO. Adopt the inverted pyramid model for your content. Place the main takeaway or most critical information at the very top for rapid AI consumption and better visibility. By implementing these 5 strategies, your e-commerce store will transform from invisible to a dominant force online. Remember, optimize pages, target high-intent keywords, prioritize mobile speed, create authority content, and nail your technical foundation. Optimize your e-commerce store and boost traffic and sales today with expert guidance from Search by Dua.